Hello, my name is Jenny Martinez. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Daniel.
Okay, Daniel. What does stress mean to you?
Well, stress means that there is something that we cannot resolve at the moment. For me, it's something that maybe drag you down. Some situations that you feel that they don't have any solutions at the time. But we need to open our minds and always be able to resolve our issues at the time and feel safe in some place that we feel happy or we feel that we can manage that situations at the time.
How do you manage it?
Well, my process to manage stress is always to take a deep breath, count to 10, and think about something that makes me happy. And think a very easy solution for the problem that I have at the moment.
Thank you very much.
Okay.